Hey guys, we're back in the van and Taylor's driving. Taylor, where are we going?
The Finger Lakes.
We're going to the Finger Lakes, New York to check out, or actually to meet some friends, check out some wineries, do some hikes, and see some waterfalls.
Oh, I've been trying to be what you want me to. Give me something.
Let's go. Alright, so we made it to our first destination of the trip. We are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. We're just spending the night here just to break up the drive a little bit before we get to the Finger Lakes, and we're just going to explore the town a little for the night.
Someone brings me back to life all night.
For us, visiting new places usually means enjoying a bite to eat or a delicious beverage somewhere local and highly recommended. Like most, we try to shy away from chains and locations some travelers refer to as tourist traps. Tonight, we were lucky enough to stumble upon Notch 8, a brewery and happening place frequented by locals of the area. Take Josh, for instance. He was our bartender, but after a fun 10-minute chat with him, we learned all the fun things to do around Jim Thorpe from a local's perspective. We even learned that he spent a good amount of his childhood years just around the corner from our current hometown. Small world, right?
And that, my friends, is why we continue to find the Notch 8s of the world while traveling, because conversations like that are easier had in small local restaurants and bars.
It was summer. We were skipping rocks down by the river. My hot red heart was so on fire when I heard you laugh on the drive home. You let your hair blow out the window, closed your eyes and finally let go. Said it's a shame that nothing.
Alright, so we have just arrived at Bully Hill Vineyard. It is our first winery on the Make Taylor Happy winery tour. And it's so cute. I'm so excited. It is no reservation, so you can just do walk-ins, so it's perfect because obviously I planned, but not that well.
The wine tastings at Bully Hill are quite different from your average wine tastings elsewhere. Although you don't have to make a reservation, wine tastings here are done in large groups and to us resemble more of an auction than a typical wine tasting. Though the experience may not be for everyone, it is one I am grateful to have had.
So, if you're keen to keep it dry and sophisticated, we got the Baco Noir. Our Baco Noir is bold and brazen. Black pepper, dirt fruit, smoking oak for days on in here. Otherwise, if we're gonna keep it sweet, well, we got you more than covered.
We both promised as we packed our separate boxes. Headed in.
Iron Hill. Looks nice. Taylor's getting twisted.
No, I'm not. Guess what wine the area is known for? You guessed it, Riesling. Oh, it's so cute! This is home for the night. Thank you, Harvest Host. It's really good. Really good. Oh.
we just met up with our friends Will and Monique, who are joining us tonight to hang out in the van for a little bit, have some dinner, and sit by this nice little winery. And we're gonna eat. Hopefully we have enough room. We're gonna put it to the test. All right.
Thank you.
Taylor just cooked a nice meal.
Some
Pasta. We have our friends Monique and Will. First night hosting in the van.
First night hosting.
Amazing. Best
First night making our own meal too.
Best dinner.
Full meal.
Let's see how it goes.
Delicious.
Hopefully
Taste
it's
test.
good. If it's not, lie to me.
Give us a detailed experience.
Do you recall that moment where you rode your bike for the first time? This is better than that.
When you fell?
Or you-
So this morning we're on our way to Watkins Glen, which is a nice little gorge.
Gonna do a little hiking, a little sightseeing of some natural stuff before we hit the wineries and breweries for this second day.
Last night we had a great time hosting our two friends, and the first time hosting ever in the van.
Yeah.
I think it was
and
pretty
the
successful.
First time making a serious meal.
Yeah,
It went pretty well.
from start to scratch. Yeah, it was solid.
Started scratch.
From start start to finish. From start to finish, not just start to scratch. But anyway, here we go. All right. Just ran all the way to the front to get the.
We're about to do the Gorge Trail. But we have to find it first.
Upper entrance. Great. The furthest possible. So we're at the upper trail entrance, and apparently there's really cool waterfalls in all of these.
Lovers, look out.
Ooh, are we lovers? We'll find out.
All you need, you've got to believe the whole world's right within your reach. Don't give up. Don't give up. Show 'em what you're made of.
Instagram husband.
Show 'em what you're made of. Don't give up. Show 'em what you're made of. Show 'em what you're made of.
All right. So Watkins Glen,
Loved it,
must do.
for sure.
How long
Yeah.
did it take? What time we get here? What time is it?
I have no idea. Maybe an hour?
Oh, my watch. I can't see.
9:30.
9:30. So yeah,
Like an hour?
probably an hour and a half. But we stop and take pictures and stuff.
Yeah.
Really, really recommend it. It's really cool.
It can definitely be done quick. And it's an easy hike. I mean, lots of steps, but easy to do with like kids and older adults. So good for everybody.
What's for breakfast?
Some broccoli, some eggs on like a egg veggie wrap kind of thing. Some cheese.
Yum. So what you'll quickly find out is that I'm not much of a cook. Taylor is. And sometimes she wishes I cooked more,
Sometimes.
but it's not that good. I'm more about convenience, so. Time to munch. Still in bed mode, need to convert it. So if you're curious how we shower, we gotta take the toilet out and we just unscrew it off the teak here and then just put the toilet outside for a little bit.
And it's in shower mode.
Don't forget to turn the hot water heater on to 20 minutes before.
We have 10 minutes left of heating the water.
You're so worried about what other people think. You stop standing on your own 2 feet. Spend time in the rearview mirror. The road ahead won't get any clearer.
What you got there?
Beer? Cerveza. More beer?
Más cerveza.
Beer's down?
Take them out, folks.
What is pizza?
He's already drunk and he
table?
hasn't. Piso means floor.
That was the porter though, and I didn't really like porter. That was for the homies, for the homies.
So close your eyes, throw up your head, dance to the rhythm and sing out loud.
So what are we making here, Taylor?
Chicken Caesar salad with lemongrass chicken as well, and then all of my salads are over here. But yeah, nothing too crazy.
And we got our own little private view back there. And parked right over here. Thank you, Taylor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Taylor.
Home for the night. Climbing Vines. It's owned by Chris. Super cool. He lets you park down over there. There's a lake and a fire pit and all that good stuff. And we're even gonna weigh the van later, so we'll see if we're overweight.
Yeah. So excited.
Also, you can have weddings here. Super cool wedding venue.
We paid for the popcorn. She got the popcorn.
Peach. I don't know. To be honest, I don't really eat a whole lot of apricots.
No? Tell the people why.
I don't know. They grew up on apricots. Wow.
Should I go straight or should I make a left?
I think
I
there's
think
a
that's
left
the driveway.
open thing right there. Good job, Will. You sure you talked to Tabora or
Who did you call?
attempt 2?
Man, babe.
I think you're
We almost all took it back.
Yeah, I think it's a one way in, one way out.
There we go.
And you just snaps or peanut butter. So what are you really in the mood for?
I don't know.
Ginger snaps?
Yeah, let's do that.
It's winter.
All right, what's for dinner tonight?
Pasta.
Pasta, sausage.
Do you care if I
Gnocchi?
break your pasta in half? Okay, just so that it fits better in the pot.
It's our last
Actually,
night with Will and Monique. They're gonna have a big wellness center,
A big wellness facility.
wellness facility,
Chiropractic, massage,
Yeah.
physical training.
acupuncture maybe.
Taylor giving us the oil treatment.
Join us next week as we finally determine the weight of our van, stumble upon a local farmer's market, and find ourselves in 2 places at once.
Officially.